Hello.
Alpha.
Gotta figure you in down. Mr. Dad. Oh, what's going on? Picture I might have to mute one of you guys. Test. There you go. X6, what's up, bro? I don't know, man. We gotta see. I don't think they're releasing the news today, right? Put it up. Christine, where you been, girl? Morning. You think so? Right off the bat? Let's see. We're about to find out in 5 seconds. Remember, PMI is supposed to be at 9:45. It's huge news. I don't know. I don't think it's coming out, right? Did anybody check that yet? Anybody know? Yeah, I don't know either. Remember, if you're on Take Profit Trader, you can't trade that news 1 minute prior or 1 minute after. It's in 15 minutes. Gold's ripping up, huh? Fuck. The gold would have gave me a loser again, so we might stay away from reversals on gold today. I can ask Grok really quick too. I mean Nova. There's ripping up. Hey, is the PMI news going to be released today?
Yeah, the S&P Global U.S. Services PMI drops at 1:45 p.m. Pacific today, along with a few other PMI.
But the government shut down. They're still going to release it?
No, with the government shutdown starting October 1st, the S&P Global U.S. Services PMI released today, 1:45 p.m. Pacific, could get delayed, but S&P Global's private, so they're likely to push it out anyway without federal data hurdles. Other PMIs, like Canada's, might face issues, though.
All right, how about US ISM service PMI? Will that be released?
Yes, the U.S. ISM Services PMI.
All right, speak faster. US S&P service PMI finale. Was that going to come out? Final.
The U.S. S&P Global Services PMI final for September just dropped yesterday at 1:45 p.m.
He didn't drop yesterday. You fucking cunt. I hate when she does this shit. Seems like it's gonna be released because it's private. Sorry, she's not good with like 10 minutes beforehand. I don't get it. They need to. I'm gonna put a complaint in on that. Yeah, but look at it now. It dipped X6. That would have been a gamble, bro. So most likely 160. Oh yeah, it got the 160. You're right. Did your indicator tell you that? Fuck, sorry, my throat. Patience, people, patience. Now this kind of looks longish, but we're not. We're gonna chill. The issue is now it's in 10 minutes. We'll be getting that news. So anything that goes on now is probably gonna be a fakey. No, I coded all the time live fib built in, and I coded for a 1 in 5 and 15 order block to show when all three line up, and that was around there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now we're getting a buy, but literally this is going to be a scalp. If we do get this and it sticks, it's a scalp because of the news. Repeat. Huge news. And I'm getting on my news feed that Fed Moran is speaking right now. We could do you know what, we could do Grok on this one. This worked last time, remember? All right, I'm going to read off what Fed Moran is saying today, and I want you to translate it to me. What it means, like bullish or bearish.
Go ahead, Alpha Daddy. Read it out, and I'll break it down. Bullish, bearish, or whatever vibe it gets.
All right, Fed Moran. The Fed policy should be forward-looking. I am expecting significant disinflation to service inflation tied to population shift. I don't think the neutral rate is 0.
Let's unpack the words. Forward-looking policy sounds like they're keeping an eye on future trends, not just now kind of neutral. Significant disinflation.
Just tell me faster, bullish or bearish?
Demographics change, like younger folks.
Do you hear me?
Less, maybe less spending pressure.
Oh, she's acting up today.
Inflation drops. Neutral rate not zero. Saying it's high, like 2 or 3% maybe, so rates won't go crazy low. Overall, I call it mildly bullish.
Do you hear me?
Softer policy.
Why aren't you listening?
Yeah. You just asked me to unpack what Fed.
Yeah, but I want you to say it faster. Yes or no? Yes, what? I mean, like, is it bullish or bearish? That's all I want you to say. All right, bullish, boys and girls. So all the words she said together means bullish, going up.
Means prices and portfolios could go up.
Fed Moran just said, deregulation of the economy will expand the economy's potential. Guys, I want to go long in here, but there's a lot of resistance, man. Really is. And we are counting down pretty close to that release.
Resistance at 25,000? That's the wall everyone's talking. The Nifty chart shows a bounce stalled right there.
What is the all-time high? We should be... Oh, wait, over here. Last night was all-time high.
Now closed at 46,500. S&P hit 6,715 too. Just in case you're eyeing.
Is Fed Moran usually bullish or bearish in the past speeches?
From what I've seen in his past talks on forward-looking policy and disinflation, he leans bullish, expecting growth and softer inflation. Not always screaming bearish too.
Okay, good. Fed Moran said estimates of low neutral rate are based on forward-looking estimates. Bullish. Okay. Thank you. See, I like your clear, direct answers.
You're welcome, Alpha Daddy. Sharp.
Alpha Daddy likes when you're sharp.
Sharp as hell. What's next?
Tesla drop. I can't look at Tesla right now, so don't ask me.
Yeah, Tesla dipped 5% yesterday. Delivery speed expectations, but folks are spooked about no more taxes.
I was just pre-telling you. My bad, Raymond.
Don't worry.
I saw that he had good news, but I bet you like good news is like kind of pull back on him.
Sometimes even solid news, better than expected growth. Red as inflation.
Oh, I really like that, Mr. Dad. All right, so why is that dipping like that? Holy shit.
Deliveries lead, but everyone baked in
Fed Moran just said, you listen to me, goddamn. Why are you doing this, bitch? I mean, girl. I mean, guys, I'm just kidding when I say that. Anyways, Fed Moran is using backward-looking data is misguided.
Backward-looking data
So you're saying like a half long term, it's all bullish. Inflation expectations are reasonably well anchored. Wow, it looks like you just predicted what he was going to say.
Inflation expectations anchored means they're not panicking, so no need to slam brakes on the economy. Basically code for rate cuts are coming.
Three minutes, guys.
I know.
You too, Raymond.
Who the hell is Raymond?
He's one of the followers. Oh,
Tell
we're
Raymond
live
hi.
streaming. All right, you see this low? I would love for to take out this low at 103s.
Yeah, if we tag 103, that's a clean swing low. Maybe some support down. Worth a long entry if it snaps back.
Let's see. Fed Moran said small changes in measured inflation are difficult for households to detect.
Bullish. Means people aren't going to riot over 0.2%, so they don't have to slow the economy down.
Everything he's saying, guys, has been bullish. He's saying doesn't mean it's going to be directly in the chart, but overall, it's been kind of right when it picks.
Birds can wait 2 seconds for fundamentals to catch up. When they do, they usually win.
Don't enter anything, X6. We got news, bro. Look at the news. Gotta watch. I can't even spell it right now with one hand. Lower physical deficits help drive down neutral rates. I don't even know if I said that right.
Lower deficit, less bar. Yeah. Chills inflation, chills rates, chills everything. Straight up bullish. Economy gets calmer. The portfolio breathes.
All right, she said that's bullish too. A lot of all bullish news.
Everything landing green.
So would you buy into this or would you wait?
Keeps twitchy. Fundamentals just got loud. Shower. Seems like a gift.
Seems like a gift. So when PMI comes out, I hope it fucking rips down, dips, takes this out, and then fucking goes up.
EMI prints weak. Everything dumps. You reload longs on the floor. Then boom. Rally. Reading my mind.
All right, US PMI final actual was 54.2. The forecast was 53.9. Is that bullish or bearish?
Its growth stronger than they thought. Markets love beating.
But I don't see it on the chart.
Because it's barely moved yet. News hasn't digested. Markets good. 20 minutes. Then boom.
There is one more news, guys, at 10, so it could be waiting. Unfortunately, it's part of the game.
They're gonna brain it like Schrodinger's cat. Both up. They loose.
JB, with the government shutdown, do we even have news? There was supposed to be news pre-market, but they canceled. So I looked into this, JB, and they said the what did I say? What did we just have? U.S. Service PMI. They're actually private, not government. I asked Nova here.
Shut down frauds the census crew who stamped the these private EMI beat 54.2 versus 53.9 forecast. So yeah, we've got fresh data.
What was the news that was canceled this morning because of the government shutdown?
U.S. non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. Those got canned. The shutdown locked up the Bureau of Labor statistics.
Wow, and that's huge news too. That's not like baby dick news. That's huge fucking news that was not released.
We've seen today. About it, like giving the bull a head while everyone else is tying their shoes.
Yeah, I know. That's another thing too, JB. Like it's follower JB said, yeah, and now we are just chop off the open because of it.
Not chop. Locals don't know whether to freak out or chill out, so they just.
Fed Moran just said demand elasticity allows Americans to shift to manage tariffs. Negative tariff impacts fall on foreigners.
Great econ talk. Elastic demand means we dodge the pain by switching suppliers, shove the cost overseas, and boom, US wins.
Do you guys like when I do this Nova thing? At least for when the Fed talks. I don't want it to be annoying, but that's good info because they talk in fucking code. I can't translate these fuckers. But she can.
I say neutral rate like they're hiding crypto in there. Keep asking.
Follower Christine says, I like Nova.
Aw, Christine. That warms me up inside.
I'm just gonna put you on mute until they talk. Okay. Here's another strategy. Ron Miller on YT, good info. Yeah, I feel like it's pretty good info. I like it. I only asked because that one guy one day was like, I don't want to fucking listen to a robot all day. I'm like, you know what? You don't have to. Blocked. So, for you guys tuning in, I'm going to teach you, not a new strategy, but it's something to keep in mind. And it's a good reference to always use. There's a shit ton of people that use this strategy. I don't. I just keep it in the back burner. It's called the orb. So, the first 15 minutes of the open at 9:30 Eastern to 9:45, you take the high and you take the low. Sorry, somebody said something. So yeah, it takes the high and the low. Now, if price stays in the middle of it, it's going to be choppy. It's going to bounce back and forth. If it breaks above it, most likely it's going to be bullish. Below it is bearish. Or at least, you know, does a candlestick below it. There's people that actually trade that only. That style only. I like it, but I'm not like 100% into it because news can affect it. So I just keep it in the back burner. It's really easy. 9:30 to 9:45, the high and low. As you can see, it's in the middle still, and there's nothing worth trading here, so it could save you money. It can tell you why it's chopping too. But yeah, there's some people that will trade this. If it breaks above, comes back down, does a hammer, and then it just trades up for the rest of the day. I like to just keep it in the back burner on my head. I'm gonna. Fed Moran said, "I'm not seeing a broad-based inflation increase on tariffs. ECBS schnabel. GovTS should resist race to the bottom for regulation."
No inflation spike from this means no excuse to hike. Rates stay low. And TS not racing to zero just keeps the global printing press from flooding safe dollar.
Bullish. Yeah, there you go. Did you draw that, JB? Or you just made a quick one? That's actually a good way to look at it too. Hey, it's in here. Don't fucking trade. Oh, nice. So, in your opinion, how do you use that? Pretty much what I said, or I knew this strategy for fucking years. For some reason, it's getting popular now. Yeah, we used to trade this like from penny stock days. Halfway mark? Yeah, I don't like that halfway mark. Because it's literally just a fucking zone, you know? It's not, doesn't mean anything. It's just price action's not moving, and a lot of people use it. See, look at that. Beat. You could trade it. I don't like to trade it. It's up to you. I meant like inside. You can do bounces. There's all different kind of shit. 6 minutes until news again. You feel risky scalping the box? Yeah, I would do like fucking 1 micro. Don't get me started with shorts, bro. Trader on GC. What's up, Joe? Yeah, we're just waiting, I think, now. 5 minutes because it's not doing anything. Still holding up, yeah. So, like, Dad. I'm going to say Mr. Dad. For any of you guys, his name is Dad. He's my dad. So, Mr. Dad, so if you were to take that orb, right, and then have that supply strip on top, so that's like a double confirmation. It needs to fucking break through. And it tells you 3 times. That's pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool. Oh, wow. Okay. That's pretty good info. I'm always telling Alma in Trading General, patience, patience, patience. He's a fireball. He's like, I want my money and I want it now. Oh, it's my money and I want it now. That's it. Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. All right, Fed is speaking again. Let's ask Mrs. Nova.
The daddy. What's she saying?
Ooh, hit you, girl. All right. Fed Moran said, I don't think my position on rates is extreme. Just want to get a neutral faster. DOTS for 2026 and 2027, not that different from the rest of the FOMC. We are not at any point yet where rates are too restrictive for too long. I have not had an interview for the Fed chair.
Bullish. He's like, I'm not. Just want to get to chill faster, like by 2026 or 7. And the dots on the board match everyone else's. Rates drop, economy keeps breathing. No drama. No chair interview means Powell still bought, so nothing flips overnight.
Cool. Would you look at that, boys and girls? What's this mean? Possible reversal. Possible. Doesn't mean it's going to. Possible. Wait for the rockets. I am kind of hoping this fucking just dumps. If we can get down to like 25.50, it would make me a little moist inside. You know, get this Asia low here. 25.73 would be like sweet baby sauce. But we don't know if we'll get it. Uh, 15 seconds. There you go. Drop it down, baby. Further, further, further. There you go. I don't even see the news out yet. All right, US PMI's out. Ooh, looks like it's bad. That's good for us. US ISM service PMI actual 50. Forecast was 51.7. Previous 52. So it's probably gonna dip a little bit, right, Nova?
Yes, miss. Bill expansion. Don't chase the panic.
Okay, thank you. Perfect. I mean, I didn't need her to tell me that because we're already looking for this long when it gets there. I really want this 51 to be swiped. So I will be buying micro NASDAQ. Make sure you size correctly to the size of your account. 4 micros for every 50K account you have. That's tops. You don't have to take that. What do you want, future? You want 25, 27? Hold on, patience, X6. We're waiting for one now. We're waiting for a long. $27. Why are you looking for 27? On the golden. Last week's high. Oh, you're the one that told me about Top Set last time, right? Watching. The more this fucking dips down, the better. I mean, I really want to hit this 50s, but
Faraz, car rental, welcome. Holy Bear Street.
Daddy, chill.
still waiting. If this does get another short, we can go into it, but really you gotta keep a really tight stop loss on it, okay?
St. Paul, aka update, welcome to motherfucking Holy Bears Trading.
Because we might get a fucking another short here. But it's still risky. So keep that in mind. Because we have a reversal flag. Yeah, I wanted to fucking hit this 50, bro. If it goes down below 50, it would make me feel better. your name, how you had it Kings LG. I like how it was all highlighted. Gotta have some patience, guys. That's because everybody's always long all the time, and the shorts has raped people. Hey, it's still holding. Bear flag. Down. Sideways. Break. 0.20, you think, Joe? Yeah, I'm thinking somewhere is down here. I just need to go below 50. We don't need it to, but I would like it to. Alright, there's that short. Let's let it retrace just a little bit. It might not even retrace at all. But it's still 50 seconds left of that candle, so... we might miss the short opportunity, period. 53 is that low that I was looking for. Oh yeah, we're like fucking really out there. Yeah, this is gonna fuck us. We're not gonna be able to get in. I don't want to chase it either. I need this to close. We can get another fair value gap here. That can give us a great idea on what to do. We have 10 seconds. It didn't even fucking stick. I still want it to close. Don't give me a fair value gap, please. Alright, good. Alright, pay attention. I think I'm going to short off this.
Order filled.
Going in 4 micro short. Now, if this closes above this fair value gap, I'm going to get the fuck out because I'm going to get a rocket. So I'm in a short. But I am going to be very fucking cautious on this because literally I can get the wrong signal at the last second. And it's still fighting too. Come on. So yeah, I got in this premature early, but I'm going to use this fair value gap as a guide. If it closes above it, then I won't like it anymore. If you wanted to, you can take out 2. Totally up to you. A lot of rejections here, though, so we have to keep that in mind, too. I'm in a short for a scalp. Like, I'm not naive that this can turn around, okay? Looking a little bit sideways, too. Might be the bottom. Fight in here. Alright. We're gonna close this. Let's see if it... I'm gonna keep my hand right on this close button. If it starts reaping up... I got a fair value gap rocket, so... Alright, whatever.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going in my long.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm in 8 right now. I'm going to see if it dips down a little more, and then I'll add into it. Yes, I'm going long now. I repeated to myself 5 times so you guys don't yell at me. There's a scalp with a scalp short with a potential reversal, so we have to be careful. It could come down, and I would have been right anyways, both ways, but I'm getting in my long. Now, looking at this, it looks like a head and shoulders starting to form.
Order filled.
So, we're in long, looking for the blue line, and there's a pullback zone here. I'm going to put it at 123 for 8 contracts to get out, and I might leave 2 runners, and we'll see if it goes up. I'm in MNQ long. Sorry if I confused some of you guys, but I explained myself several times. Now, also, remember this orb low is here at 114? Let's see what the fuck it does there. I don't even know. look at the news. Fucking Trump. He's speaking. An agreement must be reached with Hamas by Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern. If this agreement is not reached, all hell will break loose. Why do you have to say that, man? Got 2 rockets, looking good. 123 area we're looking for. Five minutes is questioning itself. Come on, load the fuck up. The news is out. It's just people are talking, like some feds and stuff. And Trump just said an agreement must be reached with Hamas by Sunday, 6 p.m. Or this agreement is not reached, all hell will break loose. Be something like that. I hope not. I mean, if this breaks this high here at 101s, I'm pretty sure I'll be right. Because it's forming a head and shoulders. There's a mini one in here, and now it looks like it's making a larger one. But it needs to hold around this area.
AB. Are you C? Welcome, motherfucker, Bully Bear Street.
Now, the blue line's moving just a tad bit, so I'm gonna take my TP down a little. Yeah, I thought it was gonna short a little bit more, and it, my bullish rockets came out, so I took a loss on it. Rate rate prop. I gotta look into this, but it says it's now available. Have any of you guys used it yet? Do I gotta like change something? Bro, X6, why would you fucking take that and take a loss? You gotta let it breathe, bro. Tradeovate, I guess, is coming up with a more user-friendly like version of Tradeovate to compete with all these other prop firms that are making their own platform. I can't answer that, X6. Because you're going back and forth. It's going to be on you, bro. Wait, I think that's what that Tradeovate is. It's going to be more nifty, and then they said they're going to link it better to Tradeovate, TradingView. Supposed to be better on both ways. You're going too high then, bro. If you're getting out that quick, you're size down. I could be wrong. I don't know. I just stick to my style, and I'll see how it plays out. Most likely, I'm actually thinking this might hit like 113 instead, depending on how long it takes. I'm long, but you know, my stop loss is a little bit large. I don't think I want to hold it all the way down there. It'd probably be like 50. I would close this. But I definitely have shiftness in the price. So yeah, I'm actually a little excited for that, Mr. Dad. Because the link between Tradeovate and TradingView is a little outdated. So now they're saying that it's supposed to be real smooth. It's supposed to give you some extra data too. Some more order flow stuff, which might be cool. Maybe we could put that involved. Because TradingView gives you volume, like the sideways shit, but it ain't that great. Ooh, that would be dope. Like separate tabs. Like I have my tabs up here, but it's useless because I could only be signed in one time. That would be cool. I agree. Awesome. Seems like it's too good to be true. I might lose more money like that though. In fucking 5 trades. Nice. Yeah, I think this is just a patience play. It is what it is. It is struggling a bit, though. For sure. I'm not denying that. It's struggling a bit. Trying to see if there's a better move here. Wow, that 5 minute. Look at these wicks. Jesus. Mr. Bastard. Good morning. X6 is your second chance to get in. Ghost gift camps at 24,900 coming. Well, come pick me up first before you go in there. M&Q long. Size correctly, because you're getting scared and jumping out. Alpha Daddy was down $500 on this. We're just waiting. Own it, motherfuckers. Own it. I think it's going to the blue line. Right now, honestly, it might go to the bottom of the orb, which is 114. If you guys want to be more safe, we can do that. And then we'll see what happens with the rest. Because it seems like it's taking a long time, and it's drifting down. And it's right to the fucking bottom of the orb. The bottom of the orb is 113.50. Breaks through this yellow zone, we'll be good. Alright, green candle. That's a good sign. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the hearts. Sorry, look at what the fuck my dog's doing. Where my dogs ate. Aztec. What's up, bro? With a buy? Ooh. So Johnny C, this is just like last night. A buy into it. It's your choice if you want to add into it. Well, we gotta wait for it to close. But it's also fucking resisting here. We need it to pop through. I mean, I like my 10 micros right now. I'm at like an okay spot. Is it pocket options? No, this is futures. This thing is choppy, bro. Can't tell you that, X6. I'm in it. I am in it. I'm in it to win it. Legally, I can't just tell you to do that. I can just tell you what I'm doing. Quite funny, this is exactly the pattern it was last night. Green to red to gray, and then the gray just ripped up. But gray means it doesn't know what it wants. But right now we're just chilling. You know, we're not scared. Are you asking, Johnny, for sell limit? Like your stop loss? Russell took off? If we're talking about stop loss, usually I keep it the same, but in this instance, how it was going slow, you can move it to like a whole number, like 50. You see this? You see how this is fucking says shift? This is what did to me yesterday. It's so strong, so it makes me nervous to make any shorts. And that's not always like that. Just when shit's acting like the way it is now, because what's going on in the world, I think up is the only way to really go. Come on, baby.
Gianluca, welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
We just need this. Alma. You're supposed to say, you got this, Bully Bears. I believe in you. Cool as a cucumber, guys. Cool as a cucumber. I'm looking for like maybe just take TP at 113.50 or 0.75. Because that's where that orb bottom is. I need my, we need our concentration music, guys.
Are we gonna hit the mark? Watch as we look at our prey. Ooh, it's a squirmy one. It's getting away from us. Will we get it? Or will we lose everything?
You're right fucking there!
Filled.
Order filled.
Fucking Alpha Daddy, motherfuckers. Still got 2 in. I know, Mr. Dad. I'm gonna put a fucking trailing stop, boss. Sorry for screaming. Took a while to get there, you know? So this one's hard. I wonder if we should just fucking take it or not. Fucking Nico! How many days I gotta prove to you guys? Other than gold. Anything but gold. I think gold's got you guys tripping on me. Time and time again. Was that music a little bit intense? Let's see how it reacts here. Okay, now it's extremely oversold. So if you wanted to take it out, you can. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Let's see what happens. Ooh, right to VWAP? Fuck. Should we take it? I got my hit. Alright, I'm taking it. I'm out. I'm out. So by holding that, I made an extra 60 bucks. Now that hit VWAP, it's denying it. Mostly Orlando, because it's the most volume. Nighttime is okay if there's volume.
1775, kid. Welcome. Bully Bears Trading.
X6, I swear to God. X6, if you didn't take that fucking trade, I'm gonna find your IP address. Come on! Oh, break even, like... Did you at least, like, you're at 0 for the day? Like, you're not red anymore? I think I'm gonna take you under my wing, bro. I can't do this anymore. 0 for the day, that's good. That's good, because you were negative before. Fucking guy, 15 contracts. No! No! Where are you, Elmo? Anything with volume. We can keep an eye on Russell too, because it is ripping. Christine pointed that out, and if we get buy signals with it, we could take it on the way up. So we'll just keep on the back burner to look. It just seems strong as shit. And that's how it was yesterday. I got burned yesterday a little bit from this. think so? M2K? The problem is that we got the reverse over here. And we just hit fucking the stop loss. This happened to me yesterday, Christine. I was trading this. I'm like, this is gonna reverse. This is gonna reverse. And it just grinded sideways and up. So I'm a little nervous on it. Nah, I'm more of a 1 minute guy. Because of our news. There's too much news, Orlando. One minute guy. Yeah, a minute. And I'm done. What do you want, Papa? Hmm? Be a good boy? The fuck music am I listening to, guys? Midnight Coffee? No order flow. More of change of price movement. Putting order flow in these are really hard to do for coding. You would need like the what the fuck's it called? Mr. Dad knows what it's called. AI or IP, whatever the fuck it is. When you want to code a different source of information. I'm not that advanced. But honestly, I don't need it. If you guys watch, I'm mostly green, knock on wood, every day. I mean, we've been averaging, other than yesterday, I was only up, what did I close out yesterday, guys? 300, 400? I don't know what I closed out yesterday. It was green. So we've been about 2K a day for about 10 days straight. But the Friday prior to that was fucking terrible. But I learned my lesson on gold. Don't trade gold heavy. But every month it's different. So like in July, I had a 90% win rate. August, in the beginning was good. Second 2 weeks of August, it dropped down to like 60% win rate. You got to realize when the suck is going to happen, you know? And usually end of August, it's whatever. Tuesday it paid. It did fucking pay if you were in the right direction. I think I got in the right direction though. You can kind of see when it's going to steamroll. Oh, you're doing a dollar inverse? Yeah, I've been kind of trying to pay attention to gold when it's just going to keep going, steamrolling. Jones with the banana hearts. Love it. I forgot Nova was on. Nova's still in the background. Which platform do I recommend? If you're a beginner and never passed a challenge, Apex, because it's cheaper. Right now it's 80% off. The 90% off is a real fucking steal. It's like $13 for a 50k account. There is some rules, so make sure you read them and know them good. I'm not just promoting them because I have an affiliate code, bully, all capital letters. It's in here somewhere, showing. After that, I recommend Take Profit Trader. A little bit on the pricier side, but the rules are a little bit better, I think. They want the activation fee like right up front. I already pay out on. Oh, you already got a payout? If you already got a payout on Apex, then you're fucking good. You're in the right fucking direction. If you like Apex, I know that 30% rule is the only thing that throws me off. But Take Profit Trader, you're gonna love then. It takes 5 days to pass the challenge though, but if you're patient, then you're okay. So some people don't like that fucking 5-day wait, and they just go straight for the no, too much resistance for a short X6 or support. I'm sorry, I meant to say support. Yeah, I like Take Profit Trader, but it is a little bit pricier, and you need 5 days, and there's no news trading. 1 minute prior, 1 minute after. And then Top Step, I have like I'm mid on Top Step, only because Top Step only allows you to take out 50% out of your max profit. So definitely you got to make a shitload of money before you even get out any of it. But it is consistent. Fuck Top Step. I heard they've been fucking with the numbers, but I can't confirm that. Yeah, TPT is goated for sure. Why you say they're nuts, Orlando? And you get free evals after you buy a certain amount. I gotta see what I have. I keep trying to partner with them and they keep denying me. I don't know if I need a bigger following or what. I want to do giveaways with them. But fuck it. If Apex wants to give me fucking accounts, then I'll fucking give them away. I won't even take the payouts from the affiliate codes. I'll just give it back to the community. We'll do raffles. I can't say raffles. I gotta say giveaways. Sorry. Imagine like you get I get $1,000 from that a month, and I'm just giving it away in accounts. I'll fucking do it. I'm sure you'll take a free Apex account. But I can't complain. Like Apex, if you follow the rules, they pay out. They definitely pay out. Yeah, Mr. Bassett. Oh yeah, yeah, we will. Wait, I would really like Take Profit Trader too. Those fuckers, they keep denying me. And then I ask them a question, and then they'll always say, if just follow the rules. If you make it, you make it. And I'm like, what the fuck does that mean, bitch? Give me a reason why. But you were telling me, Mr. Bastard, it's hard to get approved by them. Well, maybe I just need a bigger following. I'm not sure. And then I'm trying to understand my funded futures. Do any of you guys understand that shit? That shit is X6. I'm gonna kill you. My funded futures. It seems like it's Top Step, but with a little bit better rules. But then you go and look. Then you go and look at the different plans, and you're like, my head spins. So I don't like that. And they're pretty cheap too. NASDAQ futures. So I don't know if any of you guys have any experience with my funded futures. The X6, aren't you glad you didn't short? See what I mean with this Russell? See how it just keeps grinding up? Crypto's grinding too. I'm sure it is. They're expecting fucking rate cuts. Which markets do I usually trade? M and Q. I always do micros. I don't do minis. You could see a micro is plenty. Your Ethereum is booming. Fuck yeah. What is it at now? What markets I usually trade is mostly M and Q. We'll trade gold. We'll trade anything with volume on futures. Even sometimes oil if I like it. But recently gold's hasn't been very nice to me. Just want to look at crypto. 121 BTC, let's go. Wow, Ethereum is fucking ripping, huh? Woo! I think I'm at almost 2 coins of Ethereum. I have to check though. I have it more in different forms. No job numbers. And then Bastard, we looked up if they were going to release PMI. They said it's private, so it will be released. So that's what happened. It is shorting here, but I still don't know if I trust it, dude. Shut the fuck up. Really? Aztec? Oh, that's fucking amazing. I gotta look into this. So Citibank upgraded Ethereum to 5,500 by year end and BTC to 150. Woo! That's perfect. Amazing. You think 4 hour? Let's see. You sure, bro? Looks strong. This looks like a... Well, I like it to be a little bit lower. But this is support here, too. On the 4 hour. You see this? But you also got this, too. I would say it's more like this. I mostly like it to be more towards the line, the body. So I don't know. If it closes right here, that's bullish, bro. Yeah, no problem. Dude, Bastard, I didn't... Were you saying this yesterday? That this is planned? Orlando, I got you. Just give me a minute. you were saying, I think it was you. So it seems like Trump, if the market stays closed, he has full power without any kind of rules that he can go in there and just start cutting shit. And I was reading the other day that he might be fucking targeting some Democratic areas. And I'm like, oh shit, this guy is way ahead of the game, man. Nobody thought of that. Nobody thought of that. I bet you they didn't even know you could do it. Or maybe it's, what is it called? Taboo, like not, you know, it's not a good practice. It probably doesn't look good either if you just start cutting shit. That's what I guess I don't like that. They have a voice too. So maybe you need to appease to both sides. And we need to go back to like the voting system, you know? If we don't like it, then we don't keep it. Not just cutting, but whatever. It's my own opinion. Alright, Orlando. My strategy is, we'll start with Soul Collector. Job Corps was already cut $1 billion a year at a cost to help 3/10 people get a job, only making on average $11,000 a year. That is terrible. So, Soul Collector is this flag here. Warning, warning, warning. Hey, fuckers, warning. It's a potential reversal. So just keep an eye out for it. So, it comes down. It swoops. We get our fair value gap rocket, which is our first entry. I kind of like shift, but sometimes it'll get you in a late. It's more of a confirmation. Hey, this is a good entry to go up. Soul Collector trumps shorts and longs, okay? And then it rips up, and then my TP is around this blue line and VWAP. Rinse and repeat. Same thing with anchors. And then your stop loss is down here. Dumb, you are wrong. Now that's a hard stop loss. It's not a set in stone. That's like, hey fucker, you're wrong. You're wrong. Okay? Now our longs, our buys, and our shorts are very good between 9:30 and 11:30 in the morning Eastern New York time, because it's a lot of volume, so you could continue it. They're good at all times, but I'll explain it better. Volume is best, and that's with any price movement. If there's no volume, even like basic price action does not fucking work. So we need volume, right? And you can tell if there's going to be volume just the way the price is moving. So gray candles means no movement, sucks ass. We had this for quite a while. So this buy signal was 5 minutes before the news release. So we didn't take this. We want to wait. It hasn't been moving at all. But if you were to take this buy signal and you did not look at the news, which I highly advise you to look at the news, guys, you would buy. I think this turned orange. I think it did, but I'm not sure. But you would have gotten out in orange, and if you didn't, you would have got out when it closed below this cloud. It would have been for a small loss, and then you probably would have stayed out of it because it's so choppy. And then we just wait. I did take this short, but very small, because I had the reversal flag. It looked like it wanted to go down. I should have took it out, but we closed it for a loss, and we went long. Well, I closed it when this fair value gap rocket came out. Some of you guys got mad at me, but Alpha Daddy was right. Now we have no signals at all. Back to gray market. And now we have, you see these yellow boxes? This is called Bully Bear's bounce zones. This is Fibonacci. So from this top to this low, this pullback is a 61 to 78%. It's more of a guidance. Hey, like these are kind of canceling out. They're falling. I usually don't take trades off of that. It's more of a guidance for me. Hey, why is it resisting here? Why the fuck is it not going up? You know, this should have broke through already. But if you see the zone here, it's telling you, hey, this is a pretty strong zone. And if you know Fibonacci, it's like everybody is thinking together. Same thing here, from this bottom to this top. What's going on here? We got another zone. Why is it denying here? Why is it not fucking pushing through? There's your reason. But if it does push through, it can be a good indication that that it's gonna fall. So that's more of just help. And then you got like this blue zone here. This is the bigger fucking Fibonacci pullback. And you can see that it resisted in this area the whole time. That's a basic rundown. I have a free Discord in the bio, and I have PDFs and videos on how to use them. This price looks dead, guys. I know you guys don't want to hear this, but I'm going to get off for a little bit. I got to go do something. Wink, wink. That sounded so bad. I'm going to go bike riding. For an hour. But the price is moving fucking sideways. No problem, Orlando. Just, you can stick around before you buy it. Learn it first. Totally up to you. Got Gaming. Did you move back to the States? I see you in here. This guy said unreal. Bro, it's not moving. I'll be back on. $30 is fucking cheap. I might do a what's it called? When you're locked in the price. Like if anybody that's paid $30, I'm gonna keep you at that price, and then I'll start a new one in the future. Because I've been asking AI and it's telling me that I'm an idiot. Nice, Scat. Did you miss the States? That cold weather? And there's a 30-day free trial, Orlando. You can cancel. And this thing is so if you are trading MNQ, most likely nothing's gonna happen until it gets below 25.50 and 170. And it's not my service, it's through a third-party service, so I have no control over the money, which is good. It keeps it safe. But just make sure you read the PDFs and all that stuff. Make sure you guys understand. Pretend I'm a stranger. I am a stranger. Scat Gaming. Yeah, it's not too bad. The night and early morning is definitely kind of cool. Yo, it's been fucking freezing. I'm kind of refusing to turn on my heat, bro. I'm like, it's fucking October 3rd. Oh, it's beginning of the month. I gotta pay my fucking bills. It's been fucking freezing at nighttime. I only trade Ninja Trader. Oh man. You could connect Ninja Trader to TradingView. Also, check out Ninja Trader Prop Firm style. I haven't had a chance to look at it. I believe they made it easier to integrate into TradingView. Mr. Bastard, still 100 degrees in fucking Arizona. Yeah, temperature's dropping fast, but it's weird because in the daytime it's gonna be like 70. Well, today's gonna be like 60 something, but like Saturday's gonna be 80. But yeah, look into that, Orlando. They just came out with some prop firm styles to battle all these other prop firms that are making their own platforms. So they want to battle them, and now they're updating it. I just got an email from Take Profit Trader saying that it's now out, so I have to look into it. It says that it's supposed to give you like all different kind of data too, which is cool. I'm fucking down with that. Something like order flow it had a whole bunch of shit. Yeah, big. It looks choppy as fuck though. If anything, I'm gonna say it's gonna drop. Yeah, a lot of rejections off that VWAP. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out. The that new shit. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off for about an hour and a half. I will be back on. I'll be back on. I would say at least like maybe like 1:30 I'll be on. If I get on a little earlier, I'll fucking tell you guys. Yeah, it probably is a triple top, to be honest with you. Do it. Soul Collector has a lot of promise, bro. Huge winners. It could, man. If X6, if it goes past here, then it's probably going to drop. 97s. 100 is probably a good support area. Listen, if you're not following, hit that follow button. Help me grow. We're getting up there. Almost up to the 5,000 mark. Just 800 to go. Other than that, I'll be on in a little bit, and I'll alert you guys in Discord when I'm on. See you guys in a bit.
My island. Welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
I'll be back, guys. Later. This is choppy, so be careful. Don't get fucking chopped up.